Assalamu alaikum friend. In this video, I will tell you how the generative AI is enhancing our creativity and it's actually giving us an opportunity to present our ideas in a better way. In a picture, you can see the drawing of a 5-year-old kid, and in this picture, there are the no meanings. You cannot understand what is the meaning of this image. So here come the intelligence or creativity of a person who is using the AI tool. I just give this simple image to the AI tool that was ChatGPT and asked to convert into a painting. So here is a result. AI converted that previous image into a painting. Then I again asked to convert this image into a 3D. Here you can see the 3D image of that painting. After that, I asked ChatGPT to convert into a logo. Here you can see a logo. After that, I asked ChatGPT to paste this logo onto a coffee cup. Now you can see the coffee cup with the logo and generative coffee. And here is the final product you can see now. Now I asked to create a complete advertising image so it will look great. Now you can see the a cup of coffee with logo, with name, and the galaxy of feeling. So the main purpose of sharing this video is how generative AI is helping to present your ideas. That is your raw idea, which is meaningless, and here is the final product. So use generative AI to present the things. So the creativity is in the person who is using the AI. So I hope this video help you to understand how the AI is helping in the creativity. So what's your opinion on it? I will be happy to listen from you. Thank you so much for watching this video.